Voodoo friends, today we're gonna see how can we append strings in Python. So basically appending has two forms. One is you append some new string inside an existing variable, and another way is to concatenate two strings where you have one string and another string and you basically join them. So first we'll see what is concatenation, then we'll see how can we concatenate string without using a third variable. So right now let's just have a variable s and say, oops, let's define it. It's a rainy day. Let's say it. Okay. And if I print s, like right now, basically prints the it's a rainy day. That's it. And if I define another string s1 and say some rain, rainy day. Let's repeat it. And if I press s plus s1, if I print s plus s1, it prints it's a rainy day and this our second string. And you can use the same to basically save it inside a variable, say s plus s1, and if I print s2, it will print the same thing. Basically what it does is it takes this string, places it there, just like that. So basically it appends the string. So that is concatenation. Now, if I talk about appending strings, in appending we don't need another variable. We just use the same variable s equal to, and we use the same variable again s plus rainy day. So that basically prints the appendant. Oh, sorry. Oops, my bad. If I print s, we don't have to define another variable. We just use the same variable and append string there. And if you could see there, it's a rainy day, rainy. That is it. And if you want to append multiple things, you can just do so like that. If I have like this, and if I want to do it again, rainy day and greenery. If I do that, it basically appends again and again without using a temporary variable. So that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next.